On the Weather Network, this is your detailed local report, including conditions observed in this area during the past hour. It also includes your local forecast for both short and long term. Information you can use to plan your day. Now on the Weather Network, conditions observed within the past hour in various other centers across Canada and the United States. A reminder that if a weather warning is issued for this area, it's broadcast immediately on the Weather Network. Your screen will turn completely red and an alarm will sound as the text of the warning appears. It's a public safety feature of the Weather Network.